children, open your book Sparkle, page number 37. Lesson 2, articles. Here some alphabets are given. Write down the vowels in a box 1 and consonant in a box 2. Okay, write down here the vowels in a box 1 and consonant in a box 2. Write down like that vowels and consonant. Let's learn A and N are called articles. What are the articles? A and N. N is always used for the words starting with the vowel sound. An is always used for the words starting with the vowel sounds. And A is always used for the words starting with the consonant sounds. These are the consonants. Okay. So A is always used for the words starting with the consonant sounds. Clear? For example, a table, an ear, an woman, an egg, an umbrella, a chair, a zebra, etc. Okay. So here you can see that ear, spelling of the ear is start with the vowel. So we can use an article before the words which are starting with the vowel sound. Clear? And for the consonant sound we can use a article. Okay. See here some pictures are given like an orange under the tree. So here O is vowel starting with orange is starting with O vowels. So we use the article an for this. Like that, a man with an umbrella. Man, the spelling of man start with the consonant sound M. So we are using here a article for the man. A man with an umbrella. Again here the vowel sound of umbrella start with the U. U is a vowel. Okay. So here article, we are using article an for this. An egg on a plate. Okay. Next one is an elephant in a jungle. Clear? Let's understand again here. Use a and an only with the naming words or the noun that is before one person, thing or the animals, like a doll, okay, an orange, a bird, an egg. We can't write like that. A dolls, an oranges, a birds, and eggs. Understand here? Use of an only with the naming words that start before one person or a things. Here one doll is given, one orange, one girl and one egg. So we are using article an here. If the plural words are given, then we will not use a and an with them. The rules are different for the plural one. Okay. We will understand it in our next classes. Let's do fill in the box with a or an as needed. Like here the picture is given an and bird. So spelling of and start with the a vowel sound. Okay. So we will write here an and the spelling of the bird start with the B, that is consonant. So here we can write a bird. Like that, here cow and ox, picture of cow and ox given. Cow, spelling of cow start with the consonant, so we can write here a, and ox, o is a vowel, so we can write here an article. Next one, owl start with vowel sound, so here we can write an. Crow start with consonant sound, so write a. Here bag start with a consonant sound, so write a, and for the vowel sound write here a n. Last one is knife, k is a consonant sound, so write a knife, and a ox start with the vowel sound, that's why write a n. Next one is tick the correct answer and write it in a box, then write the complete sentence. One is done for you. Like here, this is an insect or a insects. So write here correct one, like that. Here an, insect is start with the I vowel sound. That's why here we have written the article an, and complete sentence is this is an insect. So like that, here we are going to write I eat a apple or an apple. So here the correct one is an apple, an apple. So correct sentence is I eat an apple. Okay, next one is I have an eraser. So correct one is an eraser, eraser. Okay, so write here complete sentence, I have an eraser. Next one, an girl, a girl is playing. Correct one is a girl, so write a girl is playing. Okay, last one, a tiger or an tiger is in cage. So correct one is a tiger, because spelling of tiger start with the consonant sound T. So here we are using article a. A tiger is in the cage. Okay, completed. Next question, fill in the blanks with a and an. So spelling of bird start with the consonant sound B. Right here a article. Iron, I is vowel sound, so write here an. Tiger, spelling of tiger start with the T consonant sound, so here write a article. Rose, again a article. Camera, again consonant sound, write a. And the umbrella, U is a vowel sound, so write here an umbrella. Okay, clear? Next one, write a or n in the blanks. A boy, the boy is playing, so B is a consonant sound. Okay, so write here a boy is playing. I eat orange, O is a vowel sound, write here an. I eat an article. Okay, I eat an orange daily. I have an E consonant, E is vowel sound, so write here I have an eraser and a pencil. P is a pencil, start with the P consonant sound. That's why here we are using a article. Next one is insect has 6 leg. I is a vowel sound. So write here an. An insect has 6 leg. Elephant, again here the vowel sound. Okay, so write an. An elephant is walking. Choose the correct article a or an and fill in the blanks. First one, dash old man is walking with a stick. Old, o start with a vowel sound. So write here an. An old man is walking with a stick. My friend has bicycle. B is starting with a consonant sound. So write here a bicycle. My friend has a bicycle. Dash owl was sitting on the tree. Owl, spelling of owl start with a vowel sound. So write here an article. An owl was sitting on the tree. Next one, my mother told me to take dash umbrella. Umbrella, spelling of umbrella starting with a vowel sound. So write here an umbrella. My mother told me to take an umbrella. I am dash Indian. Spelling of Indian starting with a vowel sound. So write here I am an Indian. Next one and last one, I want dash apple from the basket. Apple, spelling of apple. A is a vowel sound. So write here an. I want an apple from the basket. Correct the article in the following poem and rewrite each sentences. So here the poem is written and you have to rewrite the poem in a given place. I show an elephant is correct? No, because elephant, spelling of elephant starting with a vowel sound. So here write an. I saw an elephant. Okay. I was an big animal. Spelling of B starting with a consonant sound. So here I होगा यहाँ पे I was it was a big animal. Okay, there was an baby elephant too. Spelling of baby starting with the consonant sound. So here right there was a baby elephant too. Okay, next one, he jumped into an pond nearby. Spelling of pond starting with a consonant sound. So here what will become a. He jumped into a pond nearby to see if he could swim. So like that, write same sentence. But he was thirsty. Same sentence. He drank all the water. Again write same sentence. And came out the sad. Same sentence. Come to the last one. In a open pond. Open, spelling of open start with O, vowel sound. So write here in an open area. Open area. Clear? So what we have learned in this chapter or in this lesson, we have learned that the article A is used when the vowel sound is there. And an article is used where the consonant sound is given. Clear? Thank you.